One of my extension cords has lost its ground prong. I had bought this extension cord roughly 2 months ago at Lowe's. It's supposedly a heavy duty one, but it's already broke. These two I've replaced already. The same thing has happened to them. This is a rigid that I bought 8 years ago, so I'll be buying rigid more often. But anyway, so this is some no-name brand. I don't know what it was, but it's a heavy gauge, and that's really what I want to buy because these connectors aren't that expensive, depending on what you get. This is a Daniel Woodhead super Safeway plug I bought on Amazon for a little over 17 bucks. I've bought some before and I've been happy with it. This is just from Lowe's. It's a Hubbell 15 amp plug for like $5 I bought these two at the same time because both extension cords failed about the same time, oddly enough. This plug right here is a Leviton 515 PR. I'm glad I wrote that down. And it was a little over $5. I bought this off Amazon. They've been, just working just fine, either one of them. I just like the feel of this one better. It just feels beefier in the hand and easier to unplug. This one here, one thing I didn't like is it hinges right here. Those are the two hinges, and it opens and kind of cinches down like an alligator bite. And it's kind of hard to do that. So I almost thought it was gonna break when I was putting these screws in. Whereas this right here is an independent piece, and so it just goes straight down. There's no hinge, it just clamps down on it, which is the same way that this one is, and this one's even heavy duty. I couldn't even tell you why this one's so much more expensive. I mean, this is over 3 times the cost of this one or this one. It's not that all complicated. I've never done this one before. Let's give it a go. First thing that's pretty intimidating when you first do it is to cut it. All right, cut. You want to pay attention to which cord is which. They're commonly the same colors, but just for your own confidence when you're doing this. So just match what you had before. I'm gonna cut it right about there. Okay, oh, looks like that sucks. Well, I cut a little bit of that, and definitely cannot be having that because, look, I cut some of that too, and if those guys touch, no touchy, that's bad news. So, let's start over again. This goes in there, and that pinches down, so I want to tear off about that much of the sheathing. What? Oh no. Yep. I'm supposed to put that on first. Ah! Okay, let's go ahead and plug it in. All right. The other end light came on. Good sign. All right, so gonna go ahead and plug it into this charging port. That's for this van right here. All green is good. We are charging. All right, now it's said and done. Watch out, buddy. The Daniel Woodhead is a great quality build. So is this Leviton. And this one is okay. I don't think I would buy this one again. This one I definitely would buy, and this one a little too expensive at 17 bucks. If you're just a homeowner, I think this is a great quality. This is just a nice plug. I have no doubt that this is gonna last forever. This one probably lasts a long time. This one, I don't know about that one. But anyway, yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.